Welcome to Convenience Talk. My name is Melanie, and today's topic is how to search for C-store owners using Pennsylvania's UST data. So I wanted to start with a blog post on Convenience Talk. This blog post has links to all the UST databases, and it's ordered by state. So we go down to Pennsylvania, and we click on this link. It takes us to this page. And here pretty much you just have some Excels that you can download. And so I downloaded Northwest Region 6 and brought this file up into into Google Docs. And you can see there's a mailing name, there's a mailing address, and as you go to the right, you have the permit holder, it looks like, name. It also, you could sort this and filter this by type. This is obviously UST versus above ground storage tank. The subsequent code, what's actually in the tank, the capacity of the tank. These are all things that you could potentially use to create a list that's useful to you. And that's it for Pennsylvania. My name is Melanie. Thank you for watching this video.